This week has played as was mentioned in the previous week analysis. The price has started to move down from Monday and reached 1.02669, and also confluence of support between this horizontal support at 1.2669 and this uptrend support line. So the price after that, making a test of this previous support, now acted as a demand zone and pushed the price to the upside. We can see that on a Tuesday the price has started to make a bullish candle, and from there on a Tuesday the price has reached again 1.03920, and from there on a Thursday and a Friday we can see that two small candles, which are almost identical as the indecision candles, the price has stopped, and on Friday we can see a small bullish pin bar that was formed right on the support level. The price has broke to the upside, where we can see that price on a Thursday has closed above and made a wick to the upside and then returned back down on a Friday. But the Friday the price did not return back down inside this area between 1.03920 and 1.02669, which means the price has managed to go outside of this small indecision area. On a Friday we can see a small bullish pin bar that is predicting that the price could move to the upside. So for the next week we could see the price moving upward, where the next level is 1.05087 and the final target is 1.05825, and this is based on the previous movement of the price, where we can see that the price was moving up from this level from 1.03920. the price has moved to 1.05087 and stopped at 1.05825, which we can see here in this area and also in this attempt. From here we can expect that the price will stop for a while and then maybe return back down, testing this 1.03920 as a support, as a next demand zone, where the price will have support from the bulls and push the price to higher levels. This is on a daily time frame. We can switch to the weekly time frame so we can see how the price has behaved in this week. In the previous week analysis we have mentioned that the price could return back down to this level. The price has done right that, and the price returned to move to the upside. We can see that on a weekly time frame we have 1.03920 as the next level to be broken to the upside, and after that we can see that the price have around 1.05 and then moving to 1.07825. But let's switch to the daily time frame, because there is one thing that should be activated. Just a minute, and this is the one, should be visible on a weekly time frame. Let's return back to the week. Here it is. So the area around this 1.05087, especially this area 1.05374, is the area for the weekly target for the next week, where the price could make its move. The price could reach higher levels, and that is where these wicks are, and that is around 1.06, and then the price could return back down around this area and possibly returning to 1.03920, testing this area. This is also last week in the month, so we can see how the price has behaved in this month. The price returning back up since reaching 0.96716, and this month is completely bullish, where we can see that the price is heading to this resistance area, which is, just a minute, which is a triangle where the price has broke to the downside. So we can expect that the price will reach this level possibly, and that is around 1.06, which was also mentioned on a weekly and a daily time frame. This area around 1.05, which is also mentioned, so the price is heading right to those levels. This month and also this week could end on this price and then return back down to 1.03920. So for the next week I'm completely bullish and I'm expecting the price will continue to move up because, just a minute, the candles that are formed on the chart are suggesting that we could see that move. So these bullish candles and also this strong bullish move without strong bearish moves, which is visible only here as retesting this previous resistance and now acting as a support around this confluence of support and the demand zone where the bulls are pushing the price to higher levels. So we can prepare that the price will reach 1.05087 and 1.05825, which is a close level for the next week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!